Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you this very glowy and fresh no makeup look. Don't let the name fool you. No makeup does require some amount of makeup products. So let's begin. So first off, I'm going to take my favorite Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I am in the shade light medium, and I'm going to apply it on the usual areas of my face, around the nose, around the mouth, under my eyes, little bit on the forehead, wherever I need a little bit of coverage. With my damp beauty sponge, the Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge, I'm going to blend all of that in place. And once I'm happy with the blending, I'm going to use a setting powder. This is the LA Girl Pro Matte HD setting powder, and I'll set all of that with a brush. Then I'm going to go on to my eyes, and I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush and the Benefit Hoola bronzer. I'm going to just swipe it all over my eyes to warm up my eyelids a little bit. And this is just going to give a nice wash on the lids, it's so that they don't look very pale. Next, I'm going to move on to the face. Here I'm using the Benefit Dandelion Duo Cream Blush. It's a very beautiful, nice, natural pink for your cheeks. So I'm going to just pump out a little bit on the back of my hand, and using my fingers, I'll warm up the product and blend it on into my cheeks, so it looks very nice and natural. Next, I'm going to move on to my eyes, and I'm going to curl them with this eyelash curler and apply loads and loads of my most favorite mascara. This is the Benefit Roller Lash. It's going to give length and volume to my lashes, and I'll go ahead and spend 20 minutes on it because I love doing mascara. I'm going to coat the top lashes 2 or 3 times at least, and then I'll go on to the bottom lashes as well. Even though it's a no makeup look, I still can't do without highlight, and I'm going to use the Benefit What's Up highlighter. It's a beautiful cream to powder formula, so when it goes on, it's like a cream product, but the minute it sets into like a powder finish, and it gives the most gorgeous blinding highlight. And this is one of my most favorite ones. For the lips, you can pretty much go ahead and pair any lip color with this look. This look will go with any lip shade, and it works for all skin tones as well. But the one I'm using today is the MAC Velvet Teddy. It's a beautiful warm brown nude, and then I think we're done. So that was the look, you guys. I hope you really enjoyed it, and I hope you're going to try and recreate it. Please don't forget to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. I'll see you again in the next one.